Welcome to Maria's Craft Studio. In this video we will draw 3 simple New Year cards. We will use the following brushes: Tinderbox, from the inking set, and Soft Brush, from the airbrushing set. Let's create a new canvas. Set the size 14 by 21 centimeters and 300 dpi. We will use this palette for our cards. You can download it from the link in the description. So, choose a light pink color and fill the canvas. Then create a new layer and start painting the sock. Right away paint casually, this is a rough sketch, but then create a new layer and paint neatly. To keep the lines smooth, go into the brush settings and increase the stabilization. Then select the liquify tool and edit the shape of the sock. Duplicate the sock so there are 3 of them. Then, select the socks layers and reduce them a little. Now close the sock layer, choose pink and fill this layer with color. Do the same with the third sock, paint it yellow. Then go back to the brush settings and reduce the stabilization. Now we don't need it. The next step is drawing a pattern on socks. Create a new layer under the socks layers, select a dark pink and draw a branch. Then create a new layer and draw loops on the socks. Now on the layer with the branch, draw the branches of the spruce, and add red dots. Then add text and choose a nice font. If you don't have such a font, you can search the internet for a similar one. There are many free beautiful fonts out there. The first card is ready. After that, merge all the layers into one, create a new layer and turn off the visibility on the previous one. Also fill the background with light pink and create a new layer. Choose green and start drawing the wreath. Then on a new layer, draw the middle of the bow, and then create a new layer below it, and paint the rest of the bow, but choose a slightly lighter color. Then close the layer and paint shadow. Choose dark green and paint the branches of the spruce. Create a new layer under the wreath layer, choose gray and paint the kitten. Then, create a new layer above the wreath and draw the cat's legs. After that, draw the eyes, nose and mouth of the kitten, and also close the layer, and add the fur pattern. Now add pink cheeks using the soft brush, and I also decided to draw white dots on the bow. Now add text, and then add white dots to the background, and the postcard is done. Then, merge all the layers, create a new one and remove the visibility of the previous one. Also fill the background with a light pink color. Then choose a light brown and draw such a shape. Next, draw the ears, then create a new layer, and draw the antler. Create a new layer and add pink to the ears, then select a dark pink and paint the eyes and nose. Choose a red color and draw a scarf, then close the layer and add a white pattern. After that, add pink cheeks. Now select the shape layer, dark brown and paint a shadow. Add highlights to the eyes and nose. Reduce deer drawing a little, and add text. Now add the pattern to the background and add a white belly for the deer. The third postcard is ready. Here are 3 postcards we got. By the way, you can download my postcards from the link in the description. If you liked this video, please leave your like and subscribe to my channel. And also you can write your opinion about this video in the comments. Thanks for watching, bye bye.